Drop.
What are you smelling? What are you smelling, Elaine? What are you smelling? Drop. Drop. Drop.
Good morning, guys. How are you doing? We just woke up and HYEKYONG, I think she's preparing breakfast. I'm gonna check what she's doing. Morning. What are you making?
I was gonna make the chapati, since, well, we can get bread, but still thought we could make by ourselves. So I start with the whole wheat flour. Normally they say it's half whole wheat flour and half just normal flour, but this time I'm gonna do a little bit of experiment using whole wheat flour only and a little bit of dal flour in it. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's very small. Normal temperature water.
What are you doing?
So I'm gonna warm the water a little bit, and I'm gonna use a warm water to make the dough here. And then I also need the olive oil. We don't have much, but I really need it. So I'm gonna try to use a little bit of olive oil today. Oh, can you go get me some curry leaves?
Okay. Let's go get some curry leaves from outside. We have our curry plant here.
Fresh curry leaves, so aromatic. I think this looks good. There you go. Oh yeah.
Smell.
Becoming thick. Okay.
And then?
Yeah, the dough is ready. So I'm gonna start like rolling. At first. Look at this kitty.
It smells so good.
I think this is very successful. Look at this. It's very soft. But the other ones, especially this one, the first one, is a little bit stiff and it breaks.
Oh,
But this one is very soft.
nice. Yeah.
I think it's first time to make like this.
Are you proud?
I'm very proud. I think the key is the whole wheat flour.
Okay.
For you, it's for me.
And this is one of our favorite breakfasts. Bon appetit.
Good. Wow.
So good. Remember, stay home and cook nice. Thank you so much for watching. Click the like button if you like this video and
Subscribe.
see you guys.
What do you think this perfection chapati today? The texture is the best.
Yeah, what I did is also really best.